Save money, save money, save money, save money, save money. Make a big saving today.
Right, hi everyone. Driving along quite happily, and of course, clang, 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 clang behind us. The rear box had fallen. It had not fallen off, but it was hanging down and tapping the road, bouncing along the road. So my exhaust had gone. So like anybody else, you go, I'll phone the AA. And so, nice AA man come and made a fitting. This is the fitting he put on it. Brilliant. Absolutely excellent. Now we were back roadworthy again. We went to our local Vauxhall agent to see how much they're going to charge to fix me exhaust, because there's nothing wrong with the DPF filter or the cat. All that's wrong with the vehicle is the pipe has broken at the bend, as you saw, over the top of the suspension arm. So the cat and the DPF there's nothing wrong with whatsoever. And this is the bill that Vauxhall agents presented me. So as you can see, it was time to do some shopping around. So off to local other agents, I made two or three inquiries around, and they all came in just over 300 quid or just under 300 pounds. But that didn't include the cat. That was just the middle box and the pipe. Didn't include the rear box. Now, I will admit, I thought my rear box was okay, but you'll see in a minute that it turned out not to be. So I should have bought the extension pipe and the exhaust all at the same time when I was getting them from this eBay client. And I'll give full details of the eBay client and where you can get yours, and save yourself over £2,000.
It's mine, all nice, arrived and ready to fit.
After removing the back box, it was only to find that the in the pipe itself it was rust welded and whatever in there, and the point is that the new pipe wouldn't go over the top or whatever, so we decided I'd buy a new back box. So I should have got it all at the same time as when I ordered the pipe. Removing the old pipe. Now the fitting that the AA provided as get you home, get you to the garage so you could drive off down the road, has a single bolt, and what he does is he slides one end inside the one pipe, one end inside the other pipe, joins them together, then does up this single bolt, and this single bolt expands out, and the fitting fits in perfectly fit and leak proof as well. There was no leaks, but you can see in this next bit of picture, bit of video, that the actual old pipe is completely rusted through. Undo the bolt. Once it was all removed and the new back box was fitted, we're ready to go. And that's that all fitted. And there, new pipe. Coming over, and to make life easier, a new back box. The supplier of the exhaust pipe and back box, all for one price, under £100 I believe, is rsj-carcare on eBay. So rsj-carcare. Can't recommend them enough. Now then, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. A full link to the supplier and parts down below. Click the show more button. That's where you'll find all the information about how to get hold of this exhaust when you need one and save yourself, I don't know, maybe £2,000. Big thumbs up for this one. Cheers. Thanks a lot. Click the show more button.